Hello guys, norong puila no khulumung yaparo ang tini nong ni bagui video kotal tubui phayuka sungmani tai phirok mani video rok sung tini nailene nini mung tamo. What's your name? Ani mung Naira. My name is Naira. Nini babuni mung tamo. What's your father name? Ani babuni mung Purno. My father's name is Purno. Nini mani mung tamo. What is your mother name? Ani mani mung Gonga. My mother name is Gonga. Nung bo class pori. Which class do you read in? Ang class 10 poriu. I read in class 10. Nini rung nok ni mung tamo. What is the name of your school? Ani rung nok ni mung Don Bosco rung nok. My school name is Don Bosco School. Nini omor busuk. How old are you? Ani omor chichuku bisi. I am 19-year old. Nini class teacher ni mung tamo. What is the name of your class teacher? Ani class teacher ni mung Bina. My class teacher name is Bina. Nung rung nogo salbrum brum da thang. Do you go to school every day? Ang salbrum brum no thangu rung nogo. Yes, I go to school every day. Nung nini babu no tu hamjak. Do you love your father? Ang ani babu no hamjaku. Yes, I love my father. Nung borotong. Where do you live? Ang Agartala tongo. I live in Agartala. Thinango nung tamo ong namusung. What do you want to be in future? Thinango ang phurungnai ong namusungo. I want to be a teacher in future. Nung tamungui phurungnai ong namusung. Why do you want to be a teacher? Ang blai kheno klaisa ke phurungmanu. I can teach anything very easily. Nung tokeno tamungui nai. Why are you watching this video? Ang English by kok sana nayu. I want to speaking in English. Nini samung rok bahai soli. How about your work? Jotono kaham. All is well. On kepe bahai. What's up these days? Obo asuk kunu boya. Nothing special as usual. Asuk sal nung biang tongkha. Where have you been all these days? Ang kisa sa paileya ong tongkha. I was a bit busy. Nini nok boro ongkha. Where is your house? Ani nok Agartala-o. My home is in Agartala. Nung oro tamungui phaisa. What bring you here? Ang oro nainani bagui phaimasi. I am here to see you. Nung okda khui kya? Are you hungry? I ang ok khui tongkha. Yes, I am hungry. Nung khe soida. Are you sure? I ang soino. Yes, I am absolutely sure. Nung khana samung khainada. Are you working tomorrow? Ihi ang khanani simik samung khaya. No, I will take leave from tomorrow. Nung nini bithida chakha. Did you take your medicine? I ang bithi chakha. Yes, I took medicine. Nini kunu da nang. Do you need anything? Ihi ang kunu nangya. No, I don't want anything. Nung kunu thungmung da thung. Do you play any sport? I ang cricket thungu. Yes, I play cricket. Nung bithi da phal. Do you sell medicine? Ihi ang bijapsi phalu. No, I sell book. Nung English da pori. Do you study English? I ang jora wono English poriu. Yes, I read English regularly. Nung ani logi phainada. Do you want to come with me? Ang tabuk belai no paileya. No, I am too busy right now. Nung ang bai thanada. Do you want to go with me? I ang thanai. Yes, I will. Nung tamo naituk. What are you looking for? I ang kamsului. Nutuk tongu. Yes, I am looking for a shirt. Obo busuk. How much does it cost? Obo rang raba. It costs 500 rupees. Nung bahai khe bukrai rinai. How would you like to pay? Logi by cash. Hambai norongno ani video no naima bagui. Ang nongi bagi taibo video ketal tunai. Norok naina musung khe ani channel no subscribe khadi. Ang video ketal upload khake nirokni oro notification sogina bagui tei ani video no chajak khe like share comment khadi hambai.